Hello everybody, and welcome to today. I've got my t-shirt on, a thermal shirt with a thermal top as well as a body warmer, a woolly hat. I've got the thermal lock job on, but I've got my hat on obviously as well, sunglasses, and just so I'll let you know as well, when you come magnet fishing, which we tend to forget to be a bit lazy about, wear gloves.
Oh yes, we've got gloves today.
Gloves tend to keep your hands a little bit warm, but still feels cold. So maybe you can get the gloves with the feet like that, yeah.
Yes. So definitely, if you do magnet fishing in the winter, I definitely recommend to get yourself some nice waterproof gloves with wool inside.
Yeah,
I know you can get a little bit damp later on, but they definitely keep your hands warm. So that's a little bit about gloves keeping warm on a cold winter's day, magnet fishing.
And of course today we have our Miss Freckles the greyhound with us. There she is, Miss Freckles. She's looking nice and warm today because the weather today is very cold today. It's around about 3 degrees and I think we are predicted snow, or definitely frosty and icy. So something that we have found probably nearly every magnet fishing trip or two is 2p. So we found 2p. We're definitely not going to be rich with magnet fishing, but it's always a pleasure to find a little bit of money. I think the most I found this year was a purse with about £10 in, which was in Cambridge. There was no cards, just a purse with just some cash in, so that was a pleasure to find that. As you can just see across there, this is a beautiful place called Oxnead Hall. Massive house over there, beautiful grounds as well. It looks like they've got a grass cutter going on over there or something. It moves on its own. Oxnead Hall. Just take a view of this really old building here across the water. Very, very old. I wouldn't like to imagine how old it could be, but I think it's definitely older than me. If anybody likes to know how old I am 56 years of age. Yes, I was born in the year Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. It was a long time ago, so I do remember the 70s,
the 80s, the 90s, the 90s, 10s and the 20s. And it'll soon be 2026. This is a stretch of the river. I'm going to try some magnet fishing. We have been here before in the summer when the weather was around about 25 degrees. And today it's around about 3 degrees or even colder, 2 degrees. My hands are so cold. We've just tried down the river, but it was so cold. My brother decided to pack up and go and sit in the car. So I'm left on my own now to try and do a little bit of magnet fishing. So I'm going to give you a little view around here. This is a lovely stretch of water here. We did find some interesting items here last time. So I might only try for about 30 minutes because it's too cold. So this is a little view around. And I'm just going to show you this little sign over here. It's a great place for a walk as well. As you can see here, Buxton Circular Walk. Oxnead and Buxton Circular Walks. So if you want to come for a nice walk, why don't you try this place? And of course there's another sign, Bure Valley Path, 2.9 miles. Give it a try. I'm now ready for the lodge. As I said earlier, it's absolutely freezing brass out here today. So I don't think this is going to go on too long, this magnet fishing adventure today. Depends how long I can last. My hands getting too cold. I have some little gloves underneath the waterproof ones, but I don't think that's going to keep them too warm. So here we go. There you go. First magnet in there in this stretch of water. I've got myself a bar. Not sure what that is. Could be a heavy walking stick. So there you go. Pretty happy with that. Really good start. I'm just going to move spot now. See if I'll try a little bit further down here. Because at the moment I haven't found a lot. I found a big metal heavy bar. But barring that, there's not a great deal in so far. So I'm just going to try a little spot here. And as always, you get the same things, which I always get, is another nail. Wow, the amount of nails and screws I've pulled out the river this year is unbelievable. Also bottle tops, pennies as well, ring pulls, yeah, I got them as well. I've got to say, highlight of the year for 2025, I'll just tell you a little bit about 2025. Me and my brother actually started magnet fishing in February, and our first video was at Buxton Mill, and ever since then I've grown my YouTube channel. I first started off as Cambridge Underwater Discoveries, of course, but then it led on to life through my lens, because I just didn't want to solely concentrate just on magnet fishing, but I wanted to do a little bit of filming of cities and towns and things like that, so a little bit of variety. And yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed the magnet fishing adventure over the last year, and I'll probably, with long videos and short videos, I think I've got over 250 videos out there now. So I'll say thank you to all of my lovely subscribers who have subscribed to me during the year, and all the people who took the time to comment on my videos, to like my videos, and hopefully in 2026 we'll go and do a lot more videos and continue to grow my YouTube channel. So I was going to carry on doing a little bit more magnet fishing. Hi everybody, I've got to say it's been a bit barren today. Yes, barren is the word. But I did manage to get this little thing here. Show you close up. Looks like something, it looks like a fishing reel or something to do with fishing possibly. Close look up there. So we've had the usuals of screws, nails. I did manage to pull out a big bar, metal bar, but nothing brilliant. It is New Year's Eve now. I think it's time to pack up and say our goodbyes to magnet fishing for the year of 2025. And we look forward to making more videos in 2026. Hopefully when the weather is a little bit warmer, because it's been really bitter cold today. It's probably one of the coldest magnet fishing days I've done, so take care. Hi everybody, I'm now heading back to the car. My brother deserted me probably around about 45 minutes ago. He was too cold, and it was too cold for Miss Freckles. So he went a long time ago, so I've been doing the magnet fishing on my own. So I've got a little stretch of walking along this river to get back to the car. There's a bull in the field.
Luckily I'm not going that direction, and I'm not wearing red. So, a bull in the field.